Hi guys, so we just picked up 150 meals from Samosa Street Factory, and we just picked it up, and now we're gonna put it in our truck, and now we're gonna deliver it after this. Guys, we just reached the Queen Youth Shelter. We want to give a huge shout out to Punjabi by Nature and Samosa Street Factory, especially Vali Uncle, for giving us a huge donation of nearly 450 meals. So a huge shout out to them. Hi guys, so we just reached Knight's Table, and now we can deliver, this is our last delivery, and now we can deliver all these packages to the people at Knight's Table. Hi guys, so we just finished all the deliveries and pickups, and from the Asees Foundation we feel so good that we delivered produce and cooked meals to people in need. We delivered more than 500 meals to people that are in need.